The first healing verse starts off this way. Matthew 4, verse 23. And Jesus went about all Galilee, teaching in the synagogues and preaching the gospel of the kingdom and healing all manner of sickness and all manner of disease among the people. Verse 24. And his fame went throughout all Syria, and they brought unto him all sick people that were taken with divers diseases and torments, and those which were possessed with devils, and those which were lunatic, and those that had palsy, and he healed them. Remember Mark 1, verse 32 through 34. And at even, when the sun did set, they brought unto him all that were diseased, and them that were possessed with devils. And all the city was gathered together at the door. And he healed many that were sick of divers diseases, and cast out many devils, and suffered not the devils to speak, because they knew him. Mark 3, verse 10 and 11. But he had healed many, insomuch that they pressed upon him for to touch him, as many as had plagues. Verse 11. And unclean spirits, when they saw him, fell down before him and cried, saying, Thou art the Son of God. And said, If thou wilt diligently hearken to the voice of the Lord thy God, and wilt do that which is right in his sight, and wilt give ear to his commandments, and keep all his statutes, I will put none of these diseases upon thee, which I have brought upon the Egyptians, for I am the Lord that healeth thee. Exodus 15, verse 26. Exodus 23, verse 25. And ye shall serve the Lord your God, and he shall bless thy bread and thy water, and will take sickness away from the midst of thee. Isaiah 57, verse 18. I have seen his ways, and will heal him. I will lead him also, and restore comforts unto him and to his mourners. Jeremiah 33, verse 6. Behold, I will bring in health and cure, and will cure them, and will reveal unto them the abundance of peace and truth.